Hi, I'm Sara and this is Barbara. She is, oh hello Barbara, she is a gold partridge Brahma and she's one of my favourite hens. We've been keeping chickens here in West London since 2007 and we absolutely love it. But some people think it's just not possible. I've got some ways to reassure you and tell you how having some hens will give you a happier home. In case you're worried about chickens and how tame they would be, different breeds will have different temperaments and different personalities. So you can do some research and find out which hen is best for you. But I find having chickens in the garden really brings the garden alive. If you imagine your garden as a beautiful landscape scenery, look at it as a picture that you might have on the wall, having the movement, having the life, having some little feathery friends pottering around really brings the garden alive, gives another dimension of nature and wildlife that we can enjoy. And of course, having your own chickens means you have an endless supply of lovely eggs. Now, talking of eggs, we do have lots of different chickens and we have different chickens of different breeds and we have chickens of different sizes. That means that the eggs that we collect are different colours, different sizes. Nature's very kind. The smaller chickens lay smaller eggs. But did you know that you can tell what colour egg a chicken is going to lay by looking at her earlobes? So Barbara here, she has got pink earlobes, which means that her eggs are a pinky beige colour. I've got another chicken, her earlobes are bright white and her eggs are brilliant white, like chalk. They're beautiful. I've got some chickens with darker red earlobes and they lay dark brown eggs. And I've even got a chicken who's got pearly earlobes. That means that she lays blue eggs or green eggs. So watch out for your chicken's earlobes and they'll tell you which eggs that they will lay for you. Of course, having your own eggs in the garden, being able to collect them each morning means that you can have wonderful breakfasts. For me, my favourite is poached, but whether you like them sunny side up or scrambled, being sure that you know where your eggs has come from can give you certainty in the provenance of your food and you can really enjoy a super fresh, healthy breakfast. Of course, keeping your own chickens means you've got a constant supply of chicken manure to hand that you can pop into your compost bin, leave it to rot down, and then you have a lovely nitrogen-rich feed for you to top dress or dig into your beds, feeding the next generation of fruit and veg, all helped by our feathery friends. If you've enjoyed this video, do like and subscribe for more top tips from BBC Gardener's World magazine.